which is a grade 10 worksheet. It has 7 questions. Say true or false. If the statement is correct, say true, or otherwise false. The first one, in the same circle, congruent chords are equidistant from the center. It's true. Let's say, for example, to show this statement is true, okay, for example, which is 6 centimeter. Therefore, the half of this is 3 centimeter, and which is unknown, and which is radius 5 centimeter. Okay, the chord is what? 6. So the half of 6 is 3. 3. Therefore, what is the length of from center to chord? Then using Pythagoras theorem, which is this is radius. Therefore, this intersecting point is perpendicular. It makes a 90 degree. Hence, the hypotenuse square, that is 5 square, which is equal to, which is, let's say, x square plus, which is the other leg 3 square, then 25 minus 9, which gives that x square. That's 25 minus 9 is 16. The root of 16 is 4. Therefore, which is 4 centimeter unit. Hence, the other chord in this direction, therefore the same principle, therefore it's true. If two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measure is equal to 90 degree. False. It is complementary, which is changed into by complementary. It's true, but not supplementary. Therefore, the statement is generally false. That the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degree. The name of that is complementary. Okay, now question number 3. An angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. Yes. Let's say, which is diameter. Then this angle is inscribed in this on a circle. Therefore, the subtended arc of this, which is 180 degree. Then it's true, right angle, because of inscribed angle is half of the subtended or intercept arc. Then 180 degree divided by 2 is 90. Therefore, which is 90 degree. Number 4, if the opposite angle of quadrilateral are supplementary, then the quadrilateral is cyclic. It's true. Let's say this, which is circle. Cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral which is in a circle and all vertices are on a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is quadrilateral. Yes. This quadrilateral is in a circle. Yes. And all vertices are on a circle, which is cyclic quadrilateral. They fulfill this property is cyclic quadrilateral. Now the question is what? The sum of opposite angle, the opposite angles. Opposite angle, the sum of the opposite angle is what? Supplementary. That is 180 degree. No, yeah, yes, it's true. Always true. True. How to show this true? Let's say, okay, which is the arc of the subtended arc, for example, which is this arc is, let's say, 160 degree. let's say 160 degree. Therefore, the angle of this is 80 degree. ይህ አርክ እንበልና 80 ዲግሪ ከሆነ ይሄ የዚች ኢንስክራይብድ አንግል 80 ዲግሪ ይሆናል። ይሄ 160 ከሆነ ቀሪው ፓርቲ ይህ ስንት መሆን አለበት? 200 መሆን አለበት። 200 because of the total circumference is 360 degree. 200 ከሆነ this inscribed angle proof ማድረግ እንችላለን፣ ሰዓት ላለመግደል ነው። ስንት ሆነ ማለት ነው? 100. therefore 100 እና 100 180 ይሆናሉ። always true. proof ማድረግና ማየት እንችላለን ካስፈለገ። Number 5, when two chords intersect in a circle, then the product of its intercept is are equal. ይህ ደግሞ ምን እያለ ነው? The two chords intersect in a circle. እንዲህ ቆራረጣሉ በሰርክል ውስጥ እና any place intersects. Then the product of, let's say, which is the distance from this up to this is A, which is B, which is C, D. Then the statement says that what? A times B, which is equal to C times D. ነው ያለው። እውነት ነው። በካውንተር ኤግዛምፕል ባሳይ ለምሳሌ which is 3, A is 3 and B is 6 and C is 2 and D is unknown. Then to find the value of D is 3 times 6, which is equal to 2 times D. Always true, this property. Therefore, the value of D is 3 times 6 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Therefore, the value of D is 9. Anyways, it's true. If an inscribed angle is acute angle, then it is inscribed in a minor arc. Yes. They say this is a circle, then the angle of this inscribed angle. ይህን inscribed angle ከሆነ acute angle ከሆነ acute angle is the angle which is between 0 and 90 degree. Let's say 47, 50, 70 and so on. Greater than 0, less than 90 degree. So let's say 70 degree. ብንለው ከ0 እስከ 90 ነው acute angle ማለት። ይህ አርክ ስንት ነው የሚሆነው? inscribed angle ስለሆነ the subtended arc is twice of this inscribed angle. Therefore, 140 degree. 140 degree is minor. Minor arc is less than 180 degree. ከ180 ዲግሪ ያነሰ minor arc ማለት or less than half of a circle or less than a semicircle. Minor arc. If inscribed angle is obtuse ከሆነ ደግሞ ዝርጥ ከሆነ ነው የሚለን። ለምሳሌ the obtuse angle is between 90 and 180 degree. በ90 እና በ180 ዝርጥ አንግል obtuse angle is ዝርጥ አንግል በ90 እና በ180 መካከል 90 እና 180 ሳይጨምር ነው ለምሳሌ ከ90 የሚበልጥ ከ180 የሚያንስ 150 ይህ 150 ዲግሪ ከሆነ ይህ ሰብቴንድድ አርክ ስንት ነው የሚሆነው? 300 ማለት ደግሞ ከሰሚ ሰርክል የበለጠ ያ ማለት ሜጀር አርክ ነው ይህ አርክ ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር የሚለው ምንድነው? ማይነር አርክ ፎልስ ይሆናል። እውነት እንዲሆን ሜጀር አርክ ብንለው እውነት ይሆናል። My name is Mohammed from Mami Maths YouTube channel. For today it's enough. Bye bye.